Hi, this is Joe with the iPod Repair Clinic. I just wanted to talk in general about the iPods. A lot of people are rediscovering their iPods. They're coming to me with iPods that have been laying around in drawers for years and years. Most of the time, it's the battery. I basically I tell people that the batteries are like muscles. If you don't use them, they basically deteriorate or atrophy. I call it atrophy, battery atrophy. But it's a very easy process to have the battery changed out. I don't want anybody trying to change their own batteries because in most cases you'll probably create more problems trying to do it yourself, whether you beat up the case or you break off the battery terminal or something to that effect. But it's a very simple process to change a battery, and that's one problem that I've encountered. The other one could be cable adjustments and things like that. But again, you really have to know what you're doing. So if you have an iPod that's been laying around for years and years and you miss that music, bring it back here to the iPod Repair Clinic and I'll get it back working for you and I'll make you a very happy camper. All right, until we meet again, thank you for joining me for this in this session.